Hello and welcome traders. Welcome to my live trading room. This is your host, Rob. And today we're going to be going over all my trading systems, day trading, swing trading, and the Four Horsemen. I have links to those videos on how to trade, on how I trade those systems below if you're interested. Also, I have a couple of new updates here for you as well. First, let's get into our stats. It's my current day trades. This is just tracking since I've been doing it live here with you guys about 6 weeks ago. This is my day trade, my swing trades. I've been doing live here with you, and it's not allowing me to pull up my. There we go. And this is my Four Horsemen. I also have my Four Horsemen from my broker right there, my equity curve. Very good. Okay, excellent. So I have a couple of big announcements, but first off, if you are interested in what we do here and how we trade, let's get into it. All right, first off, some news here. I'm going to be uploading onto my FX book and FX Blue my trading challenge, which is going to be with a couple of prop firms. One of them is going to be in England, and the other one is located in the Czech Republic. Two prop firms. So I'm going to be uploading my accounts, because you have to go through like a test phase, enable for them to make sure that you follow the list of rules that they have, and you reach a certain percentage target without hitting a certain amount of drawdown. So you'll be able to track that live as I trade on FX Blue. Also, I am going to be introducing funded or managed accounts. So if you're interested in me being able to trade your platform, there is I do have a master account, and I can trade other people's platforms through my master account, so we can interlink them together. So if you're interested in that, we can discuss how much commissions you want to do on that. That's kind of open-ended, so get a hold of me on my email address. But let's get into the charts right now. That's the big news that we're going to be working on right now. It's going to be rolling that out. So into the charts here, let's get into the full pivots. Okay, so what do we have going on right now? These are my floating. I only have a few floating right now, and a few pending orders that have not been picked up. I am done here with the euro. We reached target. I don't trade the USD CAD. I took profit earlier today on the Aussie dollar. Bought it here. Wait, yeah, I bought it here, and I bought it here, and I think I had bought it here also and took the profits out up there. Already done with the pound dollar. Took out a couple of profits on that one. I'm sitting long right now. Long here on the pound. I already took out a couple of other profits, but I'm long here, and I think I'm also long. Yeah, I have another long in here. Oh, I do. It's down here. Okay, so I have a long here and a long here, and one of them's right here, and I moved the other one up a little bit because it wasn't enough profit for me. So the one from back here, the take profit is right here. The one from here is up higher. All right, so I think I already took. Yeah, I took profit on the Aussie yen. I was long here. I have a pending order here that did not get hit by like a pip, and I took profit right here. If you want to watch those videos on those trades, that's last video. Also, I'm in currently on one position right here. and I had a pending order right here, and we didn't reach it. Like it missed it by like a pip, and I have take profit. It's up higher, a little bit higher. So I'm only in on those three right now. We already took up most of our profit for the week, but yeah, we still got a few more to go. It's a little bit too early right now to talk about what I'm looking at as far as adding on trades at the New York close. So for now, I'm just going to pause it, and for you, it's just going to be a couple seconds, but for me, it's going to be a couple hours. All right, so 12:48 p.m. Taking a look here, quiet markets right now. The euro yen looks like we're coming up into some resistance from this level right here. More resistance up here. Let's take a look at the condensed chart, see more in detail, because I know it's a tight range. Yeah, there it is. So what's nice, what I'm seeing right now, is this was the support right here, and this was a fake out. So usually if you have a fake out down here, you can see how we came down and instantly pulled back in. That's typically a move to the upside after that happens. All these traders that are leverage trading short right here because they think it's a breakout of the channel, all their stops start getting hit, and even more stops up here and more stops up here, and all those stops start cascade price up to the upside. (1:55 p.m.) about an hour and 5 minutes away from the New York close, and yeah, getting some downwards movement now on the pound yen. So yeah, we came just shy of the take profit zone, or the take profit. So our trade plan is to add on to this trade, and the add-on is going to be right in here. Take it for something like this on up to the next profit zone for tomorrow. And what else are we in on? Euro yen. Have a nice setup for it. Tomorrow's pivots right here, and euro yen right on top of the pivot. The Aussie US dollar right here. And I think those are my only trade setups I have left. So still have quite a bit more. Got Friday tomorrow, so we still have more room to go. All right, it's 2:30, so we're about 30 minutes away from the New York close, and let's go ahead and take a look now on where we stand. Okay, again, we're done on the pound USD. We do have room here, so we're going to be taking it. We're going to be moving up this pending order on up to here for a long. We don't trade the USD CAD. We're all done with the euro. The euro yen. Taking this pending order and moving it up to the top of the daily pivot for tomorrow. We are well below the M2 on the CAD yen. We do have room still on the Australian yen, so we reached the daily take profit zone, so we'll be taking a long right in here. We'll just be moving up the pending order. And here on the pound yen, We do have room to run. We did come into the take profit zone. We will be taking another long right in there. So pound yen, Australian yen, euro yen, Australian US dollar. We have 30 minutes. All right, we're sitting about 5 minutes out from the New York close, and the one I'm most interested in is going to be the pound yen, because that's the one that's most urgent. The other ones are still far away from any entry zones. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that one first. We're going to be looking at entering in midpoint. 5 minutes left. All right, we're about 30 seconds out. Okay, there we go. We got lock. And I'm going to place my pending order at 139928. All right. That's it. Yep. With the spread, yeah, that was it. That was it. Okay, modify. We'll have to adjust all of our take profits as well. So my stop and take profits. Okay, all of my take profits are going to be right up in here. 2 and 3 right there. It's a good confluence zone between the daily and the weekly. It's a really nice zone. These aren't exactly matched up. Let me try and do that. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, so I got the pound. That's my only new order. That one's going to be 2304. Okay. Now I'm going to use my existing orders on the rest of them, but I also need to move up my. Do I have any? Let's move my take profits here. Okay, so this is my buy zone, and we're going to take it right at the pivot. And the spread on this one is 1.6, so it's 3.2. Let's go with 4.0, 4 pips above. Let's go 4.6. It's 126.373. That's it right there. Yeah, trying to get them both lined up. There we go. Okay, we got that one done. And I may need to adjust that take profit once I take a closer look at it. The other one, I already adjusted profit there. Okay, my entry on this guy right here. It's going to be an M2 entry. This guy. Okay, that one's done. All right, and then I had the Aussie dollar one. This one still has room to run. Okay. All right, so that puts 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that gives me four pending orders, and those are all the ones that I intended. So let's take a look at those ones. These are my 4 pending orders, and then my 3 that are floating right now. What I do want to do now is I want to confirm my profit taking levels. So let's go into them individually. Now that I'm fully set up, let's go to the pound yen first. Okay. Okay, so we do have, let's see, the other zones, somewhat average zone here, and perfect profit taking right here at the weekly take profit. That's good with me. I like it. Also, it matches up with this high right up over here, so very good. I'll take that one. Now, what's next? My euro yen. It is a somewhat smaller zone, but not too much smaller. Let's see what type of profit it says. If I hover over it. That's not telling me. All right. Well, anyways, that's yeah, that's it might reach it's such a small distance between here and weekly take profit. I'll just keep it right there. The other one I entered in on was this one is the euro yen. So the Aussie yen, right? Did I just do that one? Aussie yen. And the Aussie dollar. Yeah, this is the Aussie yen. Yep, that's a good zone right there. And then the last one is the Aussie dollar. Yeah, so typically I would want to take profit right here at the weekly, but it's not enough. It's not enough profit factor for me, so I had to place it at a confluence level, which is the conservative daily take profit along with the shallow part of the weekly take profit. It's been a nice bull run. Look at this. Really nice. So I think that's going to be the nice topper right there for it to come up and snag that. Okay, so I'm happy with all that. Let's go back into my day trading full pivots. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Once the spread calms down, let's take it into the black charts. So right now it's 3:11, so we're 11 minutes into the shift change, and as soon as the spreads calm down at 4 p.m., I will take a look again. All right, it is 3:19 p.m., so we're about 19 minutes into the shift change. Just taking a look here, we are seeing a little bit of a response on the Australian yen. Not quite down to the entry level, but we are seeing also the similar type of response on the euro yen. So a lot of confluence there, and we are seeing a little bit of that response as well on the pound yen. We're going to keep you updated. All right, so we just had the turn of the hour, so it's 4 p.m. Beautiful bounce off the euro yen with that wick right here. Remember, we are in a trade from back here. So is this the breakout? We'll see. Possible long signal right there. I do have my rules do require me to place my entry here, but we are also in from back in here. And kicking off here, we do have an entry in for here because of the daily take profit zone, but we do have a trade on. We'll keep you updated. Just taking a quick look here before I go to bed. A little bit of movement here on the euro yen, not much more on anything else. No new trades, pending orders have triggered, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's 1:12 a.m. Woke up to some alerts. Just rubbing my eyes right now, trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, my euro yen just hit target. Let's take a look at that on the full pivot charts. Oh yeah, I hit both targets. Alright, and remove. Where was it? I did a new back test up for Fridays. We're actually okay to stay. Excuse me. We're okay to trade after price hits the weekly target for Friday. So even if it comes back down today, even if we do this, we're okay. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that pending order there. But very good, we hit target. Yeah, I was debating whether to place my targets here or here. Yeah, that was the debate, right? They had that little gap in between it, and in the back testing, a lot of times I noticed that price did go all the way, but yeah, I did place my target right there. I just didn't have very much confidence in the euro yen because it kept stopping me out with whippy moves, little whipsaw moves. Okay, anyways, that's our trade right here. Let's go ahead and record that down. It's not much, but it's something to add on to. I made a mistake I noticed last night right in here. This is a pound yen. I actually had to close it down when it was break even because I had too large of a move size on it. I didn't adjust to the fact that I was trading pound yen, so I had to re-enter with half the lot size. All right, so this one is 3514 euro yen. Okay, there we go. This is a brand new, my brand new broker account that I just started a couple weeks ago here on FX Blue. So since then, we're up 6.4%, and we have a peak drawdown of 2.8%. So not bad for the past couple weeks, and we still are floating positive right now. Things running slow. Look at that. All right, update here on my Australian yen. Removing some risk. I love removing risk. It's my favorite thing. Or reducing risk, I should say. Okay, there we go. And we still have risk left on the table for the pound yen. Actually, that's this is today's, right? Okay, yeah. So once we make a new high, I'll be able to lift today's up. This is yesterday's. I'm gonna move yesterday's up. And that was number 0. Okay, yep, reduced risk on that one too. So the only two I don't have reduced risk on is my Australian and the new pound yen. So everything else is reduced risk. Drop. All right, now I'm waking up a little bit more here, getting my coffee on. We can see that euro yen is going to take that out to the full pivots. This is what it looks like. Yep, and we're getting pulled back right back down in right here. So we actually went all the way up to the M5, which is understandable. It's a smaller zone for sure. take it to the euro yen. Well, no, it's a little bit smaller, but either way, you can see how it just came right up here. It went right past my target and went to the M5. So one pivot beyond, but we might come back down, gain some more momentum, and head back up. Take it back to the full pivots. See what else we have going on here. It's good to finally pull a win from the euro yen. That thing's been kind of elusive lately. But yeah, so we are sitting in profit on the Australian yen, pound yen, and Australian dollar. Everything else is dunzos. I'm gonna have to watch the CAD yen because, well, no, that wouldn't matter because our daily, I'm just thinking to myself right now, our daily pivot's way down here and our M2 is way up here for the week. So, and today's Friday. Okay, anyways, one thing we gotta watch out for, and it's early in the hour, so it's still hard to say, but we don't want this to be a double top, and we don't want this to be like that. We want it to be more like this for the pound yen. Either way, we have tight stops right now, reduce risk. Take it back to the black charts. And it's not looking good for our that's my Hugo which way charts. I'm trying out a couple different platforms. Let's see here. Yeah, that's our Australian yen. 4 horsemen still in it. Okay. It's 2:08 a.m. 1 hour and 8 minutes into the London session. All right, it's 4:11 a.m. and just taking a quick look at the market. A little bit range bound here on the Aussie US dollar. We have to start breaking above the daily central pivot because if we start to hold down and break down here, then we're going to get stopped out there. Yeah, so this isn't right here. We have to get back above this here on the pound yen. We're in the danger zone. We already took profit here, right here on the euro yen. So we're done with that. And this is my other account. Wait 1 second. Let me pull up my. Okay, this is the one with the orders on it. Okay, this is the master account. The reason why I have the master account with a really small account size because my slave accounts that are connected to it have larger account balances, and for psychological purposes. I have my master account as a really small account size. That way it doesn't mess with my psyche with trading large amounts. But yeah, you can see price kind of coming down right now on the pound yen. It's early in the hour. But yeah, we need to break back above. We already took profit in here. So we're out. We still have a pending order right down here that's valid. Let's see. Yeah, and we are in right now on the Australian yen. We need to break above that double top, and then Australian USD. Here we go. We need to push back above here, like we're trying right now. We can't get rejected from the central pivot. That's our update. It's 4:14 a.m. We're still about an hour and 45 minutes away from the New York session. All right, we're about 13 minutes out from the New York Open, and not too much movement at the moment, but I am expecting some movement coming up Friday before the weekend. So 13 minutes. 6:02, 2 minutes into the New York session, and we're so close to hitting that stop out for the pound yen. Actually, we have two back-to-back reduced risk stop outs. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Slight bit of profit on the other pairs, AUD USD and AUD JPY. All right, that pound yen is not looking too good. Yeah, it's not able to bounce off support. Topping out for sure. Unfortunately, it came really close to our take profit. Our take profit was right here, so it was 6.5 pips away, 7 pips away, which is nothing for the pound yen. That's 2 times the spread. That's it. So came really close to take profit. Unfortunately, it didn't do it. Yep, and now we're reversing. It's okay, we have tight stops. All right, we took our first stop on that one. So it's going to be I was messing around with some pending orders because I was doing some master account stuff, and I was making sure that it pops up on my slave account. So that's why a bunch of these non-triggered orders are in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and account for this right now. Minus 349. That's nothing. All right. Let's see here. Day trade. GBP, JPY. This one is number 7595. About to hit the other one too. 7595 and minus 349. Oh, what did I just do? There we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's fine. Beautiful. Nice. Not bad, huh? Look at that. There's gonna take another one here real soon. Yep, there goes the other one. Okay. This one's even smaller. 8590. Yeah. All right. $8,590. And it is negative nothing. All right, it's going to be 219. There we go. Not bad. Not bad for managing risk, huh? Okay. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and take that off. Both the pound yens. I still have a third one left. The one that I have left is number 8306. So that one's gone. And this one's gone. Okay. And then I just reduced some risk I just reduced some risk on my AUD USD. So everything is reduced risk. Either break even or reduce risk. Okay. Just taking a quick update here at 6:50 a.m. About 50 minutes into the New York session. And just taking a look at the Four Horsemen. We haven't looked at it in a little while. Still sending a little bit of drawdown. Let's go ahead and go back to our day trading. And yeah, we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off currently going on right now. We still have a pending order right down here for the Euro Yen. That's really close to the weekly central pivot as well. Still sitting in a little bit of profit on the AUD USD. And the order that has not that I removed all the risk and put it in break even for my buy order that went way back on, I think, like Monday, and still sitting in a little bit of profit. However, it does look like a little bit of a double top happening right now on the Australian yen. All right, it is 11:01 a.m. Just woke up from a long nap. And not too much going on. Started off kind of spicy, and then stabilized. This is where we're at. So as you can see, just came down, stopped us out on two small reduced risk levels on the pound yen. I do have my stop at break even down here farther, so we're holding tough in that one. Sideways on the Australian yen, slightly on profit. Just slightly, nothing big. Let's see here, nothing going on the CAD yen. On the Euro yen, my entry is still down a little bit farther. Don't think we'll get there over the next couple hours. Euro USD we're out on. USD CAD we don't trade. We're in just the slightest of profits on the Australian US dollar, and we're out on the GBP USD. I'll go ahead and bring up the floating. That's it. Just 3 open trades, 2 kicked out today, and then that one pending order sitting down there for the Euro yen. That's that. So I'll keep you updated for the remainder of the day. Again, it is 11:03 a.m. All right, it is 1:35 p.m. on Friday, the 18th of December. And so I had the pending order here that never got triggered on my Euro yen. After we took the profit up here, I have a pending order down here. So according to the rules of the system, but my broker is going to close here in about 25 minutes. And I usually will close out of any pending orders that don't trigger on Friday by 1:45 p.m., so 15 minutes before my broker closes. Trading is so thin right now, we just don't have any chance of coming down here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this right now. And that's it. We don't have any more pending orders. We do have floating orders going on right now still. The pound yen, Australian yen, and Australian dollar. So those are going to carry over into next week. And I'm going to go ahead and, we still have one more thing to do. We have to close out this guy here. This broker closes at 3, so at 2:45, which is an hour and 10 minutes from now, we will be closing out of this trade, more than likely in the negative on this one. So the drawdown continues on the Four Horsemen. We had a good day trading week. The Four Horsemen has been kind of ill lately. So anyways, that's the way it goes in trading. But we'll stay tuned. Here in about 10 minutes we'll close out, and we'll mark that down in our spreadsheet. All right, so we just had the closure in the Traders Way platform, and we're closing here in about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and switch on over now to the Four Horsemen. This is what we have left. Yeah, so we're going to end up, more than likely, we're going to end up closing in drawdown on the Aussie yen. Went about halfway between our entry and our stop level. So another week in the drawdown. Let's go ahead and pull up those stats here real quick. All right, so this is, here we go. So it's not going to be, you know, it's going to come down a little bit more. But there's going to be 4 weeks in a row in drawdown. We need one decent week to recover that drawdown. Not even a decent, it just needs to be an okay week. We take small losses. All right, it's that time. It's 2:45 p.m. and we're going to be closing out of our trade for the Four Horsemen. And all the pending orders, and we're going to go ahead and log this in. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause this while I close them all out. Okay, and there we go. So it's not much damage, but it's still a drawdown. This one's AUD JPY, which is our best performer. Okay, that brings us under 500, so we're going to have to reduce our lot size for next week. That brings us under $500 profit. So now that we have gone under that $500 profit mark, then we have to reduce our lot size. Okay, so 497.47. Let's see what our finance charge was. So 496.80. Let's pull up my calculator. It's not much. Okay, so the Australian, this is going to be a 13. So let's go ahead and mark out the CAD. Okay, we already did. And 69. $680. Okay, yep, everything matches up. All right, 4 weeks in the drawdown. Last time we had 4 weeks of the drawdown, we came out of it. I think that was right in here. That was the 4 week drawdown, and then we came out of it nicely. All right, so that will do it for today. Make sure you stay tuned. We still have pending orders. I'm going to immediately upload this video to YouTube, and we'll see you again next week. Take care.